So you already understand the importance of inner links inside your website, right? Having your own pages link to each other. Now I'm going to take that to the next level. It's going to be a little bit advanced. You probably don't see this on many websites, but there's a way to make a page link to itself. And that's going to give you a whole bunch of extra links, super relevant, super extra keywordy, and all that. And this is how it's going to look like. Basically, see what I write? This is my blog, and this page ranks pretty well for related searches like flyer marketing, marketing with flyers, things like that. So what I did here is, and of course these are my secondary terms, right? How to design the flyers, cost of the flyers, right? All that kind of stuff. Now, okay, taking off from here, here's what we can do. I wrote here, here are links to different sections of the blog post, because this blog post is a little bit long. And these, notice if I click here, let's say further marketing resources, look what happens to the URL. It changes, right? It changes to this kind of hashtag, and it takes me to the section called further marketing resources, right? And it's still on the same page, right? I can click on a different one, right? It takes me to another section. And how did I do this? And you can use this HTML. This is inside my WordPress, and I'm gonna show you my HTML so that you can just copy and paste and change it for whatever your website is, but basically you'll be able to use it in the very same way. So how did I do this? This is the HTML code for it. You see I have regular href, right? But notice here I have a hashtag, and I give it some name. And then I'm going to search for this, and you see on the other side of it, I wrap my section titles in an A tag, in an href tag, right? It's in a link, and I gave it a name. So it's not an href, it's a name tag. And doing this HTML, that's how the system that's how the page knows to go to this section. Okay, that's all you add for each section is just a name equals whatever name you gave it. And the name is the one that you kind of made. You just make the name right here. And so this way you'll get a bunch of, in my case I got 5 extra links pointing to the site, right? And boosting my SEO, and also look, of course here I used the keywords. Look at that, flyer marketing 1, flyer marketing 2, 3, 4. So I'm using extra keywords in these hash things. So I'm creating a lot more SEO goodness, so you can say. And so this is a way that you can squeeze more SEO-ness, more SEO power from a page. It's pretty powerful. Almost no one else does this, so it's not rocket science, but because nobody else does this, this can give you a little bit of a boost, advantage over everybody else.